Hello, little chickies. Grow up so quick, okay? The mother is outside there. I think trying to make a noise outside there, but that's better. Actually, there are 7 died after she hatched. She just bring it down in the from the cage, from the what you call this nest. Only 3 survive, so I separate the 3. Just like some other chicks, these ones are the ones that I picked away from their mother, and I look after them. So now they are big now. Look, you see that? They grown so fast. They're native chickens. Yeah. Oh, come on, come on. They're friend. We're friends, okay? I'm not eating you yet. Come over here. Over to Mama Aini. Yeah. Yeah. They are not very wild, you see. Yeah. They grow so fast. That one you can see it's a male. That one too, it's a male. That one will be female. And we're going to breed them anyway. Hello, you like me, are you? You like to come with me? And you too. You don't hate me. This one is a male. You see that in his head? They're lovely. They grow so fast. Actually, I think they are the survivors from 10, and there is a monster called Sigbin eating them, so only 4 left. So anyway, that's fine. At least they survive. Hello. They're good. You see, healthy. The legs. One, please. Stop fighting. Anyway. Hello. You're my friend, are you? See? 1, 2, 3, and then there's another one there. There's another one there. It's a survivor. Same with them, and then now they're grown. They're grown so quick. Yeah. You go back in here again. Go back up here. Up. Oh, you see? It's listening to me. It's listening to me. This little cheeky. They're not wild because I look after them and I feed them every day. That one is there's something in the legs. That's one that survived from the Sigbin. Oops, not there. Don't knock your friend. Just stay here. Right? Very good. Don't knock the other one. Over here. Oh, you fall. Come over. Come back here. Come back. Come to me. Come back up here. Right? You like with your friend in there? You're just alone now. You're my friend. Say hi. I'm Aini's friend. But you can go down now. Have your fun. Have your fun. Bye. There's the other ones. The ones are grown up. There. Our house is like this. In the top is bamboo screen, and then we got plain iron sheet, aluminum. I mean, that one. I gotta make a door in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we make 10 anyway. There's 2 there, which is having already little chickies. This cages is for the little chicks that could be separated from the mother, you see, and maybe used for big ones that are fighting, you see. And these are here. I'm gonna make two of here too, the other one side too. So hopefully we get 14 cages one day. That's what I'm doing here. That's why I'm busy all the time. And our fence here at the back is not finished yet, so hopefully we can get the bamboo available around so we can finish off and do whatever we wanted to do for this chicken house. And in the other side, here is the duck place, you see. That's what I'm making. The duck place. They get water. They get a little pond. See, they're starting to lay eggs. Actually, there's one in the house. They're laying eggs, and hopefully, we have to multiply the population of our animals in this farm. So that's all for now, guys, and thank you for watching my video. Hopefully next time we can have another chit chat, or we can have another video that's shown in our farm development. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Bye bye.